Hey, little guy, how you doing? Anything to say? No? You don't like the rain? Well, say something, do something. Let me know you're not a statue. Okay, well, you keep doing your thing. I'm going off and do my thing, okay? You have fun. Now you want to move. Where are you going? Slow down. Where are you trying to go now? Where are you going? Playing leapfrog? Or would this be leap toad? Leap, toady, toady, leap. Alright, little man. Oh, hi, you're looking at me. Oh, hi. Sorry, no crickets. I'll give you one if I have one. Did you disappear already? Oh, there you go. Alright, bye-bye.